Welcome back, friends, to another video. Something I don't think they prepare you for in business school is just how hard it is to work in accounting and finance jobs. I've been a CPA for 6 years, and I've been in business a lot longer than that, so I wanted to share with you from my experience what makes these jobs so difficult. To start with, it's just really hard to even get a CPA license. In business school, you have a bunch of different majors you can choose from, and accounting is always one of the hardest. In most states, to get your CPA license, you're probably going to want to get a master's degree in accounting. So we are talking about 6 years of college education in some of the hardest classes in business school. Then you have to pass the CPA exam. And the CPA exam takes 1 to 2 years to pass, and it's designed to fail 50% of the people who are taking the test. It is hard. So between the schooling and the CPA exam, the training to become an accountant is hard. One of the reasons why the training is so difficult is because the job is hard. Business school is preparing you to do the actual work. So if you are in business school now and you feel like you're struggling, don't get discouraged. You want that preparation for what is ahead of you in the job market. Here are a few reasons why accounting and finance jobs are difficult. High stress. You will be dealing with money. And whenever money is involved, that means high stakes, which means a lot of stress. A lot will be riding on your decisions and your actions. Health risk. This is something people don't tell you about. This is a job where you sit a lot with very high stress. Now that is horrible for your health. So this is a job where you're going to have to be prepared to battle with health-related risks. Underfunded. Accounting is often an area of the business that is underfunded because it's not a revenue-generating area. So you have tight deadlines and not enough staff to meet those deadlines. Often this results in long hours at the office to make sure that the accounting is correct. For all of these reasons, accounting and finance jobs are difficult to begin with, but these are actually not the biggest hurdles that you are going to face. Your biggest challenge as an accountant is that people have negative beliefs about money. If you are an accountant, you have spent years of your life thinking about how money works. Most people are not like that. Most people think about money as little as possible. That comes from negative beliefs about money. Here's what happens. Most people go through life and experience money problems, especially when they're starting out. Maybe they bounced a check. Maybe they had to make painful cuts in their budget to make ends meet. People go through these painful and negative experiences with money, and that shapes their attitude. They don't even want to think about money. Your business is probably full of people with negative attitudes about money. So here you are as an accountant, and your job is you have to make people think about money. In any business, there are money issues that need to be addressed. You will have to sit people down and show them in a positive way how to address those money issues. This is an incredibly difficult task. It is hard to work in teams in general, but it is even more difficult when you are working with people with a bad attitude. What this takes is leadership. You need to be a leader to show people the positive role that money can play in your business. Money should be empowering, not a source of frustration. So accounting and finance is hard. So why do we do it? You do it because the world needs people like you. The world needs people to watch the money. Think about what an accountant is doing on a bigger scale. Accountants are determining what is valuable and what is not. That job is not always going to make people happy. Sometimes it will require people to make changes in their lives. But what accountants are doing is showing society the actions to take that will make everyone's lives better off. Now I want to hear from you. If you work in accounting or finance, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. Accounting and finance jobs can be hard, but they can also be very meaningful. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Zach from Wolves in Finance. Let's go out and make some money.